I wonder what these strange fish creatures want with us.
The Murlocs used to be peaceful, but lately they've been catching us and using us for sacrifices.
Sacrifices? To what?
A long time ago, they started worshipping some witch. They say she lives under the ocean, and if they don't make the sacrifices, she'll destroy this island.
Well, someone should have told them that orcs don't scare that easily. Now, let's get out of here. I am the war chief.
What?
The spirits are restless.
Kill.
For honor, Dabu. Your time has come. Yes. For honor. From Car, War Chief. Where you want me go? You got him, man. Look, regard, no God.
Who you want me
Master?
kill?
So let's get on with it. For the Horde! I am the what you want me to do? The spirits are full. Restless. Dabu. Yes. For honor.
What?
Huh? Let's get on with it. What you want? Yes?
Who you want me kill?
Look, regard, no girl. I am Master the War Chief. Dabu.
What you want me do?
The spirits are restless. Yes.
What you want me go?
Huh? Loktar. Let's get on with
what
it.
You want?
Thanks, man. What? I thought I'd be dead for sure.
I am the War Chief. Look, regard, no girl. For Doomhammer! Yes. Master? Zub-Zub. Swobu. Loktar. Dabu. I am
what
the
you
War
want me
Chief.
Do?
For honor. The spirits are restless. None will survive. Dabu. Yes.
What you want?
Zub-Zub. Loktar. Dabu. Let's get on with it. Dabu. For honor.
Where you want me go?
Yes. Look, regard, no girl. Dabu.
This is our chance. Let's make a break for it.
Yes.
What?
Swobu.
Yeah.
The spirits are restless.
Keep fighting, men. We're almost there.
Huh? Master?
Who you want me kill?
Let's get on with it. For honor. Yes. Yes.
Where you want me go?
What you want?
Look, regard, no God. I am the War Chief. For honor.
Who you want me kill?
Let's get on with it. Dabu. Your time has come. Yes?
What you want?
Swobu. Loktar. The spirits are restless. Lobrigar no Gal. Dabu.
Huh? What you want me to do?
I am the War Chief. For honor. For Doomhammer! Yes. Dabu. None will survive. Your time has come. For honor. Yes.
Master?
Why? Lokrigar no Gal.
Master? Huh? Zug Zug.
Let's get on with it.
Yes?
The spirits
What
are
you want?
restless.
Yes?
I am the war chief. Dabu. Yes.
What you want me to do? Huh?
I am the war chief.
Who you want me to kill?
Let's get on with it. For honor. Dabu. For honor.
I knew you'd find us, War Chief. Master?
Lokrigar no Gal. Yes.
Why?
The spirits
What
are
you want?
restless.
You want me to go?
Yes.
Why?
Yes?
Lokrigar no Gal. Let's get on
What
with
you
it.
want? Who you want me to kill? We're under
The
attack!
spirits are restless. I am the war chief. For honor. Dabu. For honor. These humans must have put up a fight. Too bad it wasn't enough.
What you want me to go? Dabu. Zug
I
Zug.
am the war chief.
Huh? What you want me to do? Yes? Dabu.
Lokrigar
What
no
you
Gal.
want? Loktar.
The spirits are restless.
Huh? Swobu. Dabu. Zug Zug.
Let's get
Master?
on with it.
Loktar. Yes? Swobu. Loktar. Zug
The
Zug.
spirits are restless.
Huh? What you
I am
want?
the war chief.
Master? Swobu. Dabu. Huh?
Lokrigar
What you
no
want me
Gal.
to do? Master? Zug Zug.
Let's get on with it.
What you want me to go? Yes?
Let's get on with it. Lokrigar no Gal. Dabu.
We're under attack!
Yes. For honor. Yes.
What you want?
I am the war chief.
Master?
Why?
The spirits are restless.
Huh?
Let's get on with it. Dabu.
Look, Narok!
Dabu.
Who you want me to kill? What you want?
The spirits are restless. For honor.
What you want me to do? Huh?
Lokrigar no Gal. Yes.
For Doomhammer! Yes? What you want me to go? Swobu. Dabu.
I am the war chief. Yes.
Who you want me to kill?
I am
What you
the
want?
war chief.
Why?
What you want me to do?
Lokrigar no Gal.
Huh? Loktar.
Let's get on with it. Dabu. For honor. Yes. The spirits are
want?
restless.
Zug Zug. Who you want me to kill? Master?
Let's get on with it.
Why?
Yes?
Lokrigar no Gal.
What you want me to
Dabu.
go?
For honor. For honor.
What you want me to go?
Dabu. I am the war chief. The spirits are restless. Let's see if we can break through these boulders. Yes.
Who you want me to kill? Yes. Swobu.
I am the war chief.
What? Anything
The
you want.
spirits are restless.
What you want me to do? Look, Naruto. What you want me to go?
You come just in time.
Lokrigar Nokal.
Master? Yes?
Let's get on with
What? What you want?
it.
Noctar.
Lokrigar Nokal.
Master? Dabu.
I am the war chief. Dabu. For honor.
Huh?
Let's get on with it. Yes.
Yes?
The spirits are restless. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Yes. None will survive.
What you want me to do? Master? Who you want me to kill?
Lokrigar Nokal.
What?
Let's get on with it. For honor. I am the
Yes?
war chief.
Master?
The spirits
What you
are
want me to go?
restless. Lokrigar Nokal. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Dabu. Dabu. Yes. The spirits are restless. For honor.
Huh? Swobu. What you want me to do? Don't mess with the bad guy.
Let's get on with it. Yes.
What you want?
I am the war chief. I am the war chief.
What you want me to do? Master? Noctar. Who you want me to kill? Zug.
Lokrigar Nokal. Let's get on with it. For honor.
What you want? What you want me to go?
The spirits are restless. Dabu. Dabu. Yes.
Who you want me to kill? Yes?
The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it.
What? Choke that in me.
Lokrigar Nokal. For honor.
What you want me to do? Huh?
I am the war chief.
Anything you want. Huh?
The spirits are
Yes?
restless.
What you want? Master? What you want me to go?
Lokrigar Nokal. I am the war chief.
Who you want me to kill? Master?
Let's get on with it. Yes.
Your time
What
has
you want?
come. What you want me to go? Inventory is
For
I
all.
dedicate my power to the Horde. For the Horde. Dabu.
Lokrigar Nokal.
Yes? How can I help?
Let's get on with it. Dabu.
What you want? Noctar. Huh? Zug, direct me.
I am the war chief.
Yes? Master? Dabu. Yes, War
The
Chief.
spirits are restless. For honor.
Yes? Direct me.
Let's get on with it. Dabu. Yes. For honor.
Master, how can I help?
Lokrigar Nogal. Yes. Ndabu. Ndabu.
Yes?
I am
How
the
can I
war
help?
chief.
What do you want?
The spirits are restless. Yes.
Yes, War Chief. Master? Swobu.
Lokrigar Nogal. The spirits are restless. I am the war chief.
Yes. Yes.
Right
Let's
away.
get on
with it. For honor.
What you want? Direct me.
The spirits are restless.
Huh?
I am the war chief.
Yes, War Chief.
Let's get on with it.
Yes.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Direct me.
I am
What
the
you
war
want?
chief.
How can I help, Master?
Lokrigar Nogal.
What you want? Yes. Yes.
Let's
Master.
get on with it.
Direct me.
The spirits are restless. The spirits are restless.
What you want? Yes, War Chief. Huh? Sucks up.
Let's get on with
Yes.
it. Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes. How can I help, Master? How can I help?
I am
Master?
the war
Yes,
chief.
War Chief. Direct What
me.
you want?
I am the war chief.
For Doomhammer! I believe we are no longer welcome in this place, War
Lokrigar
Chief.
Nogal.
Huh?
The spirits
you want me
are
to?
restless. Yes.
Yes.
Let's get on with it.
How can I help?
The spirits are restless.
Yes, War Chief. Yes.
Lokrigar Nogal.
We're under attack!
Let's get on with it.
Yes. Direct me.
I am the war chief. Ndabu. For honor. Yes. Ndabu.
Huh? Yes. What you want?
I am the
Master,
war chief.
how can I help?
Lokrigar Nogal.
War Chief, Senjin was just taken away by the fish creatures. I tried to stop them, but there were too many. They said he is to be sacrificed to their witch.
Then we have no time to lose. Senjin must be freed.
War Chief, I sense a protective shield around the sorcerer. I believe these 3 fish creatures are helping maintain it.
Pathetic fools. You will not stop us from receiving what has been promised.
Senjin!
Don't despair. You'll soon be joining him.
Perhaps you and the witch can discuss it in the afterlife. None will survive.
Direct me.
The spirits are restless. Let's get on with it.
What you want? Dabu. Yes, War Chief. Swobu. Yes.
The spirits are restless.
For honor. Master?
Lokrigar Nogal. For honor.
What you want? How can I help?
Yes, the war chief.
Arise,
Let's get on
Master.
with it. Yes.
Huh? Direct me.
What you want?
For the Horde. I am Master. Yes. Leprechaun. Yes, War Chief.
What you want?
Direct me. The spirits are restless. Master, how can I help? Understood.
Doctor.
Let's get on with it. For honor.
Yes. Yes, War Chief.
Master?
Leprechaun.
The vision told me you would lead my people off this island. You don't have much time, young one. Go.
But you and your people are coming with us.
It'd be too late. I'm already gone.
Those of you who wish to follow me will face many dangers. It will not be easy. But if you wish to join us, you are welcome.
Yeah, man. Pretty soon there'll be nothing left here anyway. We come with you.
Make peace with your gods, land dwellers. You cannot escape the currents of death so easily.
Where is that voice coming from?
I don't know, but we have no time to waste. This cave is about to collapse.